Watertight integrity refers to the ability of ship's hull, compartments, and system to prevent water from entering or escaping, maintaining the vessel's stability and safety. It's crucial for several reasons. Prevents flooding. Watertight integrity ensures that water doesn't enter the ship's compartments, reducing the risk of flooding and capsizing. Number 2, maintains stability. By keeping water out, the ship's center of gravity remains stable, preventing it from listing or sinking.